Completed A, students? Completed? Say yes or no. See, based on this equation, we have calculated some of the traffics. Okay, using this formula, we can calculate the grade of services. Using the previous problem, we can also calculate the traffic. Okay. Now take down next. See, 1 minute. Next up. See here. Thus, if traffic A Erlang, okay, A is nothing but the traffic Erlang is offered to a group of trunk having a grade of services B, then traffic lost. Okay, then the traffic loss is a A into B. Okay, andre thus if the traffic A is Erlang is offered a group of trunk of grade of service B, then the traffic loss is AB. Okay, the traffic loss will be a AB. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? See, the traffic is offered will be represented by A. See the traffic. See the traffic offered will be represented by A. Okay, traffic offered will be represented by A, and then the grade of services will be B. See, it nothing but we know that this equation. We know that this equation. Okay, we know this equation that is equal to B is equal to traffic. There's a traffic lost by traffic offered. Okay, what do you mean by traffic offered is equal to A? Okay, traffic offered will be A. Then traffic loss is equal to A into B. You take to this side. Okay, this is a numerator. You can take to that RHS side. Then A into B is equal to traffic loss by using these equations. Okay, like that here. See the total traffic loss. Okay, there's the total traffic is equal to A into B. Okay, traffic offered will be represented by A. The traffic offered will be represented by A. That is initially we know that A is equal to CH by T. CH by T. Total traffic will be offered in the particular local exchange will be represented A, and the grade of service will be represented B. Then using this equation, what is the traffic loss we can easily calculate now. Traffic loss is equal to grade of services into this will become to the LHS side, then B. A into B is equal to your traffic loss. Okay, then A is equal to then traffic loss. This is a traffic loss is equal to A into B. Okay, traffic loss will be A into B, and then traffic carried out. Okay, see this is a traffic carried out. Okay, this is a traffic carried. What is traffic offered will be A. The traffic offered will be A minus traffic loss will be A. Now we are calculating A into B. Okay, okay, clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? By using this equation, we can easily calculate the what is the total exact traffic afforded by this equation. Suppose you can say this will be traffic offered will be represented by A. The traffic will be represented by A. We are calculated by using this equation traffic offered. There's a A, and then this will be a traffic offered will be we can represent it by using this equation. By using this equation, we calculate the traffic lost. Okay, that is A and AB. Then what is the total traffic will be carried out? Traffic carried out will be you will get. Okay, I'm taking A as a common. Okay, 1 minus A as I am taking a common 1 minus B into A. Okay, we'll get this equation. Okay, we can see observe in this thing in this we'll get 1 minus B into A. Okay, that is your the total traffic carried out. Okay, then we can see here in the next slide. See, then the total traffic carried out. The total traffic carried out is equal to A into 1 minus B Erlang. Okay, clear about this one? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? See, initially we know that the conjunction we can written as a traffic carried is equal to traffic offered minus traffic loss, and also you can calculate the grade of services for the last call system. The grade of service will be B is equal to number of calls will be attempt, number of call will be lost divided by number of total calls offered. That can also be written by the traffic loss by traffic offered. Suppose the traffic offered will be represented by the A, then what we can easily calculate the traffic loss is equal to A into B. Here you substitute the traffic offered, traffic loss here. Okay, the total traffic carried out is equal to traffic offered will be represented by A, but the traffic loss will be A into B. Then we'll get A into 1 minus B. Okay, this is you see again B is equal to traffic loss by traffic offered, then B is equal to traffic loss by A, then traffic loss is equal to BA, and then traffic carried is equal to traffic offered minus traffic loss, that is equal to A into 1 minus B. Okay, the larger the graded services, the worse is the services given. The grade of service is normally specified for the traffic at a busy hour. Okay, the grade of services is normally specified by the traffic at the busy hour. Okay, clear? Clear about this one? Now you take that. This is over now. This is over now. Now you take done this one. Clear about this? Any doubt here? The total traffic carried out is equal to traffic offered will be A and traffic loss will be A into B, then A into 1 minus B. Okay, please note. Please take down this also. The previous slides already you taken now? Say yes or no? Hello? Hello, Murthy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you take down this slide. One minute, please hold on. Just I'll again ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, please take down. Please carry on. Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt is there? You can ask me any question now only. Okay. Okay, very simple formulas we are using to calculate the traffic also, grade of services also. Over completed. Can you go for next slide? Can I go for next slide? Hello, dear students, are you there or not? Say yes or no.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see the traffic measurement. It is a very important for an operating company that know how much of busy hour traffic is the AD system is handling. Okay, this is very important. The traffic measurement. Okay, by using this above the previous formulas, we can calculate the what the exact traffics are present in the particular local exchanges. That's why it is very important for any operating company. It is very important for any operating company to we can easily calculate how much of traffic will be occurred, how much of busy hours will be appear in a day. We can then we can also analyze the handling capacity of the telephone exchanges. Okay, and then in particularly it needs to know that when a system is become overloaded and when additional equipment should be installed. Okay, see that local exchange as a central office, and we can local exchange it is able to carry the all the traffics or not. We can easily analyze by using using these measurements. Okay, if it is not unable, it is not able to handling the particular capacity means handling the it means that it is not handling the busy hours properly. Then what will you do? What is the next step? Will go will more. What is the next step means? You should expand the system. Otherwise, we can add some of the components, additional components to be installed to take care of the busy hours. Okay. That's why by using this traffic measurement, we can also calculate. We can also see that what is the handling capacity of the local exchanges. If it is not capable, means what will you do? Means we should add some more equipments to handling the particular traffic. Okay, and then the traffic should be measured regularly and recorded kept. Okay, see we should also for every day we should measure the traffic because we don't know exactly where the traffic when the traffic will be occurred more. Okay, that's why what will you do means every day we can every month or every year means there is a different charts will be there. Okay, for every day also we can calculate the traffics monthly you can also take the average calculation of the traffics or like that or yearly. Okay, like that the measurement of this traffic should be regularly recorded. It will be kept since the equipment must be manufactured, installed and commissioned before it is enter the service. Because see today is no issues means tomorrow what is that? What is the traffic measurement? If there is any I capacity will be there. There is a more density in that particular local exchange. What will do means you can add some of the equipments to distribute the work for the other equipments also. Okay, that's why regularly we need to measuring the traffic and keep it in the record. Okay, and then by depth measuring the traffic carried out amount to counting the cars in the progress at regular interval during the busy hours and then averaging the result. As usual, by using this flow diagrams, you can easily calculate. We can every day should be calculate the busy hour in the busy hours how many calls are get connected or lost. We can also note on, and also in a day how many what is the total number of averages calls will be progressed in the particular day. That also we can note on. Okay, because of these things will be we need for the we should analyze the capacity of the systems. Okay, it's not able to means more number of calls will be more traffic will be there means we should do the what is the conclusion of this slide means we can extend the some of the systems. Expansion should be there. Okay, it is not in the particular in the present system. It is very difficult to handling the particular traffics. Then what is the next stage means you should add some more the components to the particular central office or local actions to get the to reduce the traffic in the particular local exchanges. Okay, that's why we need some measurement. Means every day you should measuring the traffic and should keep the recorded. Okay, that is the one thing, one way of getting the. So this is also one way of analyzing the office, central office as well as a local exchange, a telecommunication system. There's a one. This is also one of the best method to analyzing the telecommunication system. Okay, you can take an examples. Okay, in March, so December 31st, what happened? All callers will be lost. All calls will be lost because of the consumption will be more in the particular busy hours. That is a busy hours. Okay, that's why that particular during that time also the telecommunication system should be handled all the lines. Okay, that's why we should add some more the components to to reduce the traffic in the particular busy hours. Okay, that's why we need some traffic measurements. Okay, how we will take this traffic measurement based on these formulas or based on the flow diagram. Earlier they counted. Earlier they counted in the earlier is the past engineers counted the plug inserted in a manually switch port. Okay, in earlier normally how many connection they had done that through the patch codes, either through the plug inserted system they are using to make the connection in the switch ports. Okay, in earlier decades, okay, engineers counted the plug inserted in the manual switch port or the number of selector of normally in automatic exchanges. How many number of selectors? Okay, through the selectors only they will make the connection between the two peoples. Okay, number of selector based on the also they'll counted the connections. That is also the result were that thing that automatic exchanges the number of selectors that result is known as a peg count or a switch count. Okay, since this method was laborious, automatic traffic recorder were developed and installed in the automatic exchanges. Okay, now they introduce the automatic traffic recorders to count the number of calls. In the modern stored program control, the control central processor record the records of all the calls that they set up. Nowadays in modern DHS, what happened? Initially we are using the SPCS, the stored program control system. In that the central processor they will record the all the calls. Okay. See, earlier engitto patch cards mukantara, patch cards one by one. The how many number of the plugs will be inserted in the particular lines. So based on that we can connect the these are the number of connections will be connected in the particular day or in particular hour. After that, automatic selectors are used for the automatic exchanges that is also known as peg counters. Again, in the modern DSS, what happened? There is a SPSS program controlling the central processor will be record all the calls in a local exchanges. Okay, clear? Okay, then we directly move on to the problems. Okay, take the problem number 1. Okay, please take down the problem number 1. On average, during the busy hour, a company makes 120 outgoing calls of average of duration will be 2 minutes, and then it receives 200 incoming calls of average of duration of 3 minutes. Find the traffic, find the outgoing traffics, the incoming traffics, and then total traffics. Yeah, see, on average during a busy hour, the company make a 120 outgoing calls. Okay, they're making the 120 outgoing calls. The average time duration will be 2 minutes. It receives 200 incoming calls. Okay, it is also received the 200 incoming calls. The average time duration will be 3 minutes, and we should find out the outgoing traffic, incoming traffic, and then total traffic. This is the problem. Look at take down this problem. See, as usual, what is the traffic formula? A is equal to CH by T. A is equal to CH by T. See, on average in the problem statement during a busy hour, then what is the time? Time is equal to 1 hour. Okay, we're taking the 60 minute for a consider the 60 minutes as a busy hour or 1 hour as a busy hour. Then T is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, busy hour we are considering for 1 hour, not 30 minutes, not 10 minutes. Okay, that's the standard timings. Time will be there. That's a 60 minutes. Okay, I'm taking T is equal to 1 hour. That's a 60 minutes. Okay, then C is equal to 120. There's the outgoing calls will be a number of outgoing calls will be a 120. Then holding time will be the holding time. C is nothing but that is the average number of calls offered by this traffic a particular time. Okay, that C is equal to 120, and then holding time will be a average duration. Average duration is nothing but call duration time. That's called as a holding time. That is represented by H is equal to 2 minutes. Then by using this equation, we can easily calculate the outgoing traffic. The outgoing traffic that is equal to C is equal to 120 calls will be offered. outgoing calls will be of outgoing calls, and then holding time will be a 2 minutes divided by total busy hour. Total time will be a 60 minutes. You do the calculation, then we'll get 4 hour longs, 4e. Okay, 120 into 2, 240 divided by 60, 240 divided by 60 will get 4 hour long. Okay, again similarly, incoming traffic, the incoming traffic number of average calls will be in number of incoming calls will be 200, and time duration will be 3 minutes divided by 60. You do will get 200 into 3. 200 into 3, how much? 600 divided by 60 will get 10e. Then what is the total traffic? Both total traffic is equal to incoming traffic and then outgoing traffic. That is total traffic is equal to 4e plus 10e is equal to 14e. Okay, take down. Any doubt regarding this?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, please note down. Okay, we'll go for next problem. See, over now, completed now.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Over now, completed now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next problem, see, it is also very simple problem. It is visible now. I think connection lost. Wait a minute. It is visible now. The presentation is visible. Say yes or no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, dear. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Once again, we'll check it. Okay, dear student, today we'll stop here. Okay. Today we'll stop here. We'll continue the next class. Okay. Because of network issues, I am not able to present the slides. Okay. I will continue the next class. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. No.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Pa. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
we have to join for Rubicon placement season, sir. Now,
Not
we
now.
have class, sir.
19 and 27. We can see the message. Once you see the message, you have 3 days is there. Okay.
Yes,
Yesterday, after that 27 is there. We check it. Okay, different dates are there. Okay.
Sir, no, sir. 3 days, sir.
Not see. It is not continuous. Gillaba. You go
Sir,
and
total
check it.
9 days, sir.
Huh?
Sir, total 9 days iradu, sir.
Okay. Wait a minute. I will see that. Oh, 90 21st. Okay. Continue. Okay, go on, Jan. You should inform early, no?
We thought we have class, sir. So now I ask.
You should tell early. Okay. Okay. Continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.